Are you tired of ruining rice? Whether it's burnt, undercooked, or just plain mushy, it can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, we're here to help you master the art of cooking rice. Let's fix that today with a foolproof method that guarantees perfect rice every single time. First, let's gather the tools you'll need: a pot with a lid, a measuring cup, and a strainer. These are essential for achieving perfect rice. Next, let's discuss the difference between short and long grain rice. Short grain rice is stickier and ideal for sushi, while long grain rice is fluffier and perfect for dishes like pilaf. Now, let's get cooking. Start by rinsing your rice to remove excess starch. This step is crucial to prevent your rice from becoming sticky and clumpy. Measure the rice and water accurately. The ratio of rice to water is key. For most types of rice, a 1.2 ratio works best, meaning 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. This ensures that the rice cooks evenly and absorbs the right amount of moisture. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the taste and a dash of olive oil to keep the grains from sticking together. The olive oil also adds a subtle richness to the rice, making it more delicious. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and cover the pot. Here's the secret trick that makes all the difference. Cover the pot with foil before placing the lid on top. This creates a tighter seal, trapping steam inside and ensuring the rice cooks evenly. Remember, no peeking. Lifting the lid lets out steam and can disrupt the cooking process. Let it simmer until the water is absorbed. After about 18-20 minutes, your rice should be perfectly cooked. Turn off the heat and let it sit for a few minutes to finish steaming. Then, fluff the rice gently with a fork to separate the grains. Serve and enjoy your perfectly cooked rice every time. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more great content for you. Now, let's talk about the different types of rice you can use. Basmati rice is long grain and aromatic, perfect for Indian and Middle Eastern dishes. Jasmine rice, another long grain variety, is slightly sticky and fragrant, ideal for Thai and other Southeast Asian cuisines. Brown rice, on the other hand, retains its bran and germ, making it a healthier option with a nutty flavor and chewy texture. The tools you use can also make a difference. A rice cooker is a convenient option that takes the guesswork out of cooking rice. An instant pot can also be used for quick and efficient rice cooking. However, a traditional pot on the stove works just as well if you follow the steps we've outlined. Finally, let's explore some serving suggestions. Rice is incredibly versatile and can be paired with a variety of dishes. Serve it with a flavorful curry, a vibrant stir fry, or simply with some grilled vegetables. The possibilities are endless, and with your newfound rice cooking skills, you'll be able to complement any meal perfectly. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to cooking perfect rice every time. With these tips and tricks, you'll never have to worry about ruining rice again. Enjoy your meals and impress your family and friends with your perfect rice cooking skills. Happy cooking! And before you go, we'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite rice recipes in the comments below. Let's create a community of rice lovers sharing delicious ideas. Happy cooking!